Recently, I was standing in line with some friends, and a little girl was complaining because we had to wait. So I got out a piece of paper and I folded a flapping crane and gave it to her. So my friend said, "How did you do that?" And I realized I should make a video. So here's how you do it. You start with a piece of origami paper, okay? And very simply, we'll fold it this way, meet the corner, make the corner meet up nice and easy like that. Okay? That's the first part. Now, the second part is almost as easy. Just fold it over like that. So now you've got this. Okay? Now, a little more complicated. Take one side and open it out and squash it. This is actually called a squash fold sometimes because that's what you're doing. You're squashing the paper. Okay? And of course, we're going to do it on the other side too. Take that side and just squash it down like that. So now we have a nice square. Okay? Make sure all the edges are nice and tight. Now, you can see it's got all these little pieces. Take one of these and fold it over to the middle. You can just kind of see the middle there. Fold it over to the middle. Take the other side, fold it over to the middle. And then, of course, we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So, fold all these up. All right? Very simple. Now, the next one is a little bit more complicated. Take this and unfold it, and you can see where the edges of those folds were. Turn them inside out. Just kind of, talk to the paper and convince it to go like that. Okay? That was easy, right? Well, and do it on the other side too. Okay? So now we've got both sides done. And, those are going to be the wings up here. And this, well, watch. We're going to take one side and fold it in like that. Okay? And do the same thing over here. Now, we'll take this guy and look at that. Pops right up there, just like you want him to. And then take his head and bend it down and swish it a little bit. And there you've got his head. And that's the head of your flapping crane. Now, the other side, we'll just pull his tail up. Okay? Just like that. Now we're almost done, because what we do next is we take his wings, and I like to curl them. Some people just fold them out flat. I curl them just because. Now, and do it on the other side. Whoops. Have to turn it over and do it on the other side. Okay. So now we've got his wings all nicely curled. And you grab his chest like that. You grab his tail like that. And you pull up and down on the tail. And guess what? His wings flap. Oops. See? Look at that. And that's all there is to it. So now, if you do that and follow along, you'll have your very own flapping crane. Okay? And you can give it to somebody. Tell them to hold the middle and pull on the tail and watch him flap. I hope you enjoyed this. Have fun. Wow, 5.5 minutes.